Hello everyone, my name is Inayah and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making chocolate brownies for my mommy and daddy. For the chocolate brownies, we need 2 eggs, half a cup flour, and half a cup oil, 4 tablespoons cocoa powder, some sugar, and some walnuts, and some any chocolate spread. We also need few drops of vanilla and some baking powder. In the bowl, take 2 eggs and mix it until it be fluffy. Look everyone, my eggs are so fluffy. Now in the eggs, add half cup of sugar and still beat. After beating 3 minutes, add some oil and 4 drops of vanilla. Now I'm adding flour, some cocoa powder, beat this mixture for 3 more minutes. Now I'm putting 2 big spoons of chocolate spread. And also add the walnuts. And mix. Friends, I'm transferring the chocolate mixture into the baking pan. Wait, it's going to fall. Spread it nicely and put it in the oven and for 30 minutes. Look guys, my brownies are ready only in the 30 minutes. Yay! I have cut squares. You can cut any shape you like. Wait for this brownie, so yummy. These are the best